Welcome back to CAD design tutorial. Today we are going to do this type of exercise on Solidwork. Click a new part and OK. Now first change the dimension centimeter to mm. Now front plane sketch. Draw one midpoint construction line like this. Now draw one line. Now draw one line, and relation between this center line and this point will be coincident. Now see and give a dimension to this line. This will be 11 mm. Now this line to this center line dimension will be 50 mm, 50 mm. Now done. Now click a new line and draw sketch. Now our dimension to this line, this will be 2.5. Now done. Now this line dimension will be 4 mm. This point to this center line dimension will be 40. This will be change 42 mm. Now see, done. Now mirror this entity, this entity select. Now about this center line. Now it's done. Now OK. Now see, this is 2.5 fully. Now close sketch, select line and draw like this. Now give a dimension to this point. To this point will be 15 mm, 15 mm. Now this line to this center line dimension will be 4 mm, and this line to this dimension will be 8 mm. Now done. Now this will be changed a little bit more, 43 mm. Now done. Now this will be 4, and this will be, this dimension will be 11 mm. Now done. Now one more dimension. Now this line dimension will be 25 mm. Now exit sketch and revolve boss base. Select this and select this center line. Now done. Our revolve. Now OK. Now one more edit on this sketch. Now go to sketch and this edit. Now done. Now normal. Now draw one center rectangle on this 11 mm edge. Now this dimension will be 2, and this dimension will be 2. Now trim, power trim, select power trim, remove extra entity. Now done. Simply go through OK. Now done. This will be changed. Now exit sketch. Now see, this will be done. Go through simply quality change. Now document property, go through image quality, little bit high. Now done. Now see, fillet on this internal edges, rectangle. Now this dimension will be 2 mm. Now this will be only 1 mm. Now done. Now go to OK. Now this will be done. Now select this face, sketch. The sketch will be normal. Now draw center line like this. Now give an angle between two center line. This will be 60 degree. Now draw two circle, 1 and this will be 2. Now this will be 60 degree. Now this circle diameter will be 80 mm and this circle diameter will be 24 mm. Now exit sketch. Now not exit. Now click a line and draw one sketch on this face like this. Now give a dimension to this line, to this center line. This will be 2.75. Now done. Now see, draw second line to this side like this. And this point to this center line, difference between 2.75. Now it's done. Now one more reference to this center line, to this line will be parallel. Now done. Now also this center line to this will be also parallel. Now see, now extend this line like this. Now see, now go to trim. Now select corner trim, select this corner, this corner, this corner, this. Now give a fillet on these edges, select this and this edge. Now see, this will be changed dimension to mm. Now done. Now one more time fillet, select this edge, select this edge. Now the dimension will be 4 mm. Now done. Now simply go through console. See, now extrude cut. See, this will be extruded cut. Now OK. Now see, our one extrude cut complete. Go through circular pattern. Now see, now this extruded cut are already selected. Now this direction V, two options are there. Now this surface and this surface, but we select this surface. soft surface. Now see, this degree of this 2 extrude between 16 degree and our entity will be 6. Now this will be done. Now okay, now see our preview of this extruded cut. Now go to top plane sketch. The sketch will be normal. Now draw center line like this. See, now circle, draw one circle. Now give a center point to this line. Dimension will be 7. Circle diameter will be 3. Now exit sketch and go through extrude cut in reverse direction. Now see, now this will be done. Now select this face sketch. The sketch will be normal. Now draw one keyhole on this inside soft surface. Now this will be 4 and this will be, now change, now exit sketch. Now go through extrude cut and select this through all. Now done. Now go through this and edit sketch. Now this will be 2 and this will be 3. Now done. Our keyhole will be complete. Now select this face second time, sketch and the normal. Now draw one circle on this face like this, and this diameter will be 12 mm. Now see, now done. Now go to feature, extrude cut, in flip side cut and length. Flip side cut will be 3 mm. Now done. This will be cutted. Now change some dimension, go through this and sketch. This will be 2. Now exit sketch. Now one more time edit this sketch. Now the diameter of this circle will be 14. Exit sketch. Now it will be done. Now go through chamfer on this edge. This will be done. See, now this will be done, our chamfer. Now see, our part will be done. Now one more, this is our preview of this part. Now one more chamfer on this face, select distance, select this distance. Now this will be 10. change this dimension. This will be 5 and this will be 2 mm. See, now this will be changed 1 mm. Now done. Okay, now this chamfer will be done. Part will be done.